Good morning to all. We have completed chapter number 1. We have done with ascending order, descending order, place value, phase value, everything we have done. So now what we will do, we will deal with revision time, and I will check out that how you have learnt and how I have taught you, that whether you have understood or not. So we will solve the revision time. Page number 18, revision time. Page 18. Chapter number 1, revision time. It is the time to check what you have learned. Fill in the boxes. Question number A. 4381. It is given to you. What this type of box is given to you? It is written thousands. Plus expanded form, you all have done the same expanded form we will do. Just see the way question has given to you. It has not written write the number in expanded form. Is it written like that? No, it is not written like that. How it is written? It is written fill in the boxes. Boxes are given to you. You will have to fill the boxes. Very interesting. See, different types of boxes are given to you. For this, quadrilateral is given to you. For this, rectangle or square is given to you. This circle is given to you, and for once a triangle is given for you. So we will do by having fun. I am writing the question first, then we will solve the sums. 7991. Again this kind of box for what? For thousands. Yes, for thousands. Plus hundreds. Plus for tens we will give circle, yes, and for ones what box we will do? We will do triangle. Very easy, I know you all can do it. You all are good students. You all are studying at your home, and within a second when ma'am is writing, you are answering at your home. You are already writing in your book, I know. Okay, we have completed. So we will write how many thousands. What we will do, you know all what we need to do. We need to write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Like this we do. So in the place of thousand, th means thousand. In the place of thousand, what we will write? We will write 4. Very good. And if we don't write ones, tens, hundred, thousand in the top of the number, then we will not be able to understand where the number is sitting. I told you how to find it out, the place value. To find the place value, we need to know where the number is sitting. Number kahan baith rahe? Where is 1 sitting? 1 is sitting in the place of ones. Where is 8 sitting? 8 is sitting just below t. T means tens. Where is 3 sitting? 3 is sitting just below h, and h means hundreds. And where is 4 sitting? 4 is sitting just below 1000. So that is why I have written 4000. Easily you can say how many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Very good. Okay, how many tens? 8 tens. Very good. How many ones? 1 ones. Very good. So we have completed question number 1A. Next, moving to the next one. What is my next step? Yes, first step, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We will write like this. So in the thousands place, what the number is sitting? 7 is sitting. So what we will write? Before 1000 we will write 7. Okay. Before 100 what we will write? What is the number sitting below h? 9. So we will write 9 over here. Next, below tens what the number is sitting? 9. So what we will write in the tens place in the circle? 9. Now next, what is sitting below ones? Below ones is sitting only 1. So what we will write in the ones place in the triangle position? Yes, we will write 1. And next we are moving the same step we will follow ones, tens, hundred, thousand. If we don't write this ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then you will have some problem. You will make mistakes in the sums. Mathematics is a very scoring subject. You all know. If you do everything right, just see 4, 3, 8, 1, 7, 9, 9, 1. Just only this number numerals you will write and you will get marks. You can get 100 out of 100. So you just write all this in the top. Okay. Then what is the number sitting below 1000? 8. We will write 8. What is the number sitting below h? 2. We will write 2 in just front of hundreds. What is the number below t? 4. So it is written tens over here. What we will write over here? We will write 4. And what is the number below ones? The number below ones is 5. So what we will write in the triangle position? We will write 5. I'm just saying once again, what is my first step? We will write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then we will fill the boxes. It is very easy. You all can do it. Now I am moving to the next one, that is write the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digit. Number 2. Number 2, write the largest and the smallest. We all have done this sums. Now we are doing revision. Write the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using given digits. Using given digits. Digits will be given to you. What you need to do? You need to find the largest and the smallest number. You know what is largest and what is smallest. Largest matlab bada number and smallest means chota number. We have to make by using the digit largest number and the smallest number. These are the digits given to you. We have done this very simple. I hope you all can do it. A. What are the digits given to you? 3, 5, 6, 8. 3, 5, 6, 8. This is the digit given to you. What is the number? This is, we have to write the largest and the smallest number. What we need to write? Largest. Here smallest. We will write the largest number and the smallest number. I told you in largest number we will arrange the digits in descending order. In largest number, to make the largest number, what we will do, we will use this digit in descending order. You all know what is descending order? Descending order means bade se chota. Sabse bada number, which one is the big number, big digit from here? 3, 5, 6, 8. इसमें से सबसे बड़ा number कौन है? Yes, of course, it is 8. We will write 8 over here. After 8, what it comes? After 8, it comes 6. After 6, what it comes? After 6, it comes 5. Yes. After 5, what it comes? 3. So, we have formed the largest number, 8653. We will not put commas in between because these we are not writing the digits. We are making it a number. Okay. 4-digit number. What we need to do? We need to make a 4-digit number. That is why we are not putting commas in between. These are digits. We are using the digits and we are forming largest 4-digit number. Now smallest 4-digit number, yes, 3 is the smallest. Then of course 5. Then comes 6 and then 8. So we have also formed the smallest 4-digit number. Now moving to question number B. 4271. What are the digits? 4271. These are the digits. What are the digits? 4271. Excuse me. Okay. We have to form the largest number. In largest number, to make the largest number, we have to arrange the number digits in descending order. So, what is the biggest digit from here? 7 is the biggest digit. After 7, what it comes? 4, 2, 1 is remaining with you. Obviously 4, yes, 4. Then comes 2, then 1. Next, the smallest number we have to find from 1, 2, 4, 7. Yes. Number C. 6259. Okay, these are the digits given to you. Largest digit, of course, 5. 5? No, it's 9. Then 6, yes. Then 5, then 2. Smallest 2, 5, 6, 9. Okay. We have done largest and the smallest number also. Okay, I'm again repeating what we have done. We have arranged the digits from largest to smallest and smallest to largest. Here, descending order. What we will follow? Descending order. Descending order. And here what? Ascending order. So we have done question number 2. We will move to question number 3, place value and phase value. Okay, find the phase value and the place value of the digit in the following numbers. Find question number 3. What is the question? Find the place value and the face value of the following digits. What we need to do? We need to find the place value and the face value of the following digit. I told you what is place value and what is face value. Place value is where the number is sitting. Where you sit, that is your place value. आप कौन से bench में बैठते हो, कौन से number वाले bench में बैठते हो, that is your place value. And what is face value? Face value is the number itself. आप खुद अब mirror के सामने जाओगे. If you go in front of the mirror, you will see your own face. So that is your face value. What is your face value? Your face value is yourself. You yourself, you in front of a mirror, if I stand, I will see my own face. You also will see your own face. So that is your face value. The number itself is the face value. जो number है वही number हम लिखेंगे. That is the face value. And what is place value? Place value is where the number is sitting. Number कहाँ बैठ रहे? आप second bench में बैठते हो तो आपका place value क्या है? Second. Okay. If you are sitting in the 7th bench, so what is your place value? Your place value is 7th number bench. 7th. Okay. We will solve. You all know. Still I am saying it. 3, 5, 6, 8. 3, 5, 6, 8. Place value and here face value. Okay. You will not use your running hand because I don't have a big ruler over here, so that is why I am using my running hand. If you use your running hand in your notebook, it will look horrible. Okay. Now place value. So what we will do for place value? सबसे पहले हमारे what we will think कि क्या करना है. Place value बोल दिया question में, तो what we will do? We need to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is my first step. Whenever in the question it comes to find the place value, what we will do? My first step is to write ones, tens, 100 and 1000 on the top of the number. Number के ऊपर we will have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have done it. And what did I say in place value? You will have to see where the number is sitting. 8 is sitting in the place of 1. So we will write 8 into 1, 8, or we will write 8 ones. What we can write? If both of this you write, either you need to write 8 ones or you need to write 8 into 1, 8. If you write, your answer is right. Now, next, what is the place of 6? 6 into 10. Why into 10? Because it is sitting below tens place, or you can easily write 6 tens. Whatever you feel is comfortable for you, you write that only. Now 5 is sitting below 100, so we will multiply with 100, 500, or we can write 500s. Now 3 is sitting in the place of 1000, so we will multiply it with 1000, 1000, 3 into 1000, 3000, or we will write 3000s. Done? Again I am repeating what we have done. My first step is to write ones, tens, 100,000. It is sitting in the place of ones. Ones mean 1, multiply by 1, 8 into 1, 8 or 8 ones. It is sitting in the place of tens. Tens means multiply by 10. So we have done 6 into 10, 60 or 6 tens. Then it is sitting in the place of 100. So we have written 5 into 100, 500 or slash 500s. Next, it is sitting in the place of 3. So that is why we have written 3 into 1000 or 3000. Now the face value. Face value, the same number comes. Yes, the same number will come. What is the number? 8, 6, 5, 3. You will just put the same number. Okay, there the abacus is also given to you. You will have to do the abacus. Thousand, hundred, tens, ones. Very easy. Okay, you will have to draw the bits. In the place of ones, in the place of O, how many bits you will draw? You will draw 8 bits, because in the place of O, what is the number? 8 is written over here. So here in the place of O, how many bits we will draw? We will draw 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why I have drawn 8 bits? Because the number in the ones place is 8. So that is why I have drawn 8 bits in the ones place. Now, what is the number in the tens place? Yes, you are right, it is 6. So how many bits I will draw over here? 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have drawn right bits or not? How you will check? You will check the number in the tens place. What is the number in the tens place? 6. So how many bits I will draw here? 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me, what is the number in the hundreds place? The number in the hundreds place is 3. No, the number in the hundreds place is 5. So how many bits we will draw over here? 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done right? No, I have not done right. So how many bits I will have to draw? I will have to draw only 5 bits. So don't make this mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. Okay. How many bits in the place of 1000? TH 3 bits, because 3 is there. Done. Very easy. I hope you have done it. We will just draw the number of bits what is given over there. I am moving to the next question. B. 3B. Next question, 6308. B. 6308. Ones, tens, 100,000. What is the number? Ones, tens, 100,000. Now, place value. Okay, you only say me what is my first step. We will write ones, tens, 100,000 we have written. Now what is the place value of 8? 8 into 1, 8 or 8 ones. Because it is sitting in the place of 1. What is the place value of 0? 0 into 10. What is my answer? 0. If we multiply anything with 0, 0 comes. 0 tens. Now 300. 3 into 100, 300, or we can write 300s. Next 6 into 1000, 6000 or 6000s. Very easy. Face value the same number we will write 8 0 3 and 6. Now the last remaining one is the abacus. We need to do. We need to write the beads. Sorry, please don't mind because I am using my running hand and the drawing is very bad. The line is haphazard also. Okay. In the place of ones. In the place of ones, how many beads? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tens, 0. 0 means no beads. In the hundreds place, 3. In the thousands place, 6. Done. You all have understood, I hope. I am erasing it. Now I will do fill in the blanks. You are thinking that ma'am is running. Ma'am is not running. What to do? You all can do it. So that is why I have to go to the next topic. Number 4, fill in the boxes with greater than. Fill in the boxes with greater than or less than. You all know what is greater than or less than? Yes. 1271. 1271. What is the next number? 171. Question number B. 6005. 6050. Question number C. 9523. 9503. Okay. Now this is 1000, this is 1000. Both in the thousands place we are having the same number. So what we will do, we will move to the hundreds place. If we are having the same number in the thousands place, then we will move to the hundreds place. Which number is greater, 2 or 1? 2 is greater. So 1271 is greater. I told you always that the bigger number is inside the crocodile's mouth and smaller number is outside the crocodile's mouth. जो बड़ा नंबर है वो इनसाइड रहेंगे, अंदर रहेंगे, और जो छोटा नंबर है वो बाहर रहता है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट 6005. 6 6 0 0. Both are same. Now in the ones place 0 and it is 5. So 5 is a bigger number. So that is why we will put 6050 inside the crocodile's mouth. 9000 9000. 500 500. 2 0. So this one is a greater number. Now question number 5. Find the predecessor and successor of the numbers given below. Find the predecessor and successor of the numbers. So what is predecessor? Predecessor means before. Predecessor means before. Predecessor means before. Before, what is your roll number? If your roll number is 13, Who is before you? 12. So 12 is your predecessor. And what is your successor? If your roll number is 13, 14 is your successor. Successor means after, plus 1. We all have done this. 5270. 5270. Next number is 8889. 8889. A, B, C. 9110. Okay. Now, before means minus 1. Before means minus 1. So, what will be the number? 5269 plus 1, 5271. What is the number before? 8888. This will be 8890 plus 1. 9109. 9111. So we have done this. Is I'm writing before means, for you I am writing minus 1. Before means minus 1. What we need to do? We need to do minus 1. What we need to do? Minus 1. And what is after? Successor means plus 1. What we need to do? Plus 1. ये number जो है, number के साथ what we need to do? We need to do plus 1. These are given numbers. Okay. So we have completed revision time. That's all for today. Thank you, student. Today is my last lecture with you all. I enjoyed a lot with you. Hope you all enjoyed. Stay safe, stay fine. Thank you and be blessed.